Poly has partnered with Icron Technologies to provide a high-speed USB extension solution, covering up to 100 meters, equal to 330 feet. This extension solution can be purchased separately to use with large Poly room kits. To set up, start with the USB-A to USB-B cable. Connect the USB-B end to the local extender. Then, connect the USB-A end to the conferencing PC. Next, you need an Ethernet Cat5e, 6, or 7 cable up to 100 meters or 330 feet long. Connect one end of the Cat cable to the local extender and the other end to the remote extender. Power on the local or remote extender by plugging in the power supply. Lastly, take the included 5-meter USB-A to USB-C cable and connect the USB-A end to the remote extender. Then connect the USB-C end to the Poly GC8. Enjoy your video conferencing experience.